The top 8 skills for support agents. When it comes to delivering top-notch customer support in today's world, using technology like conversational AI alone simply doesn't cut it. Your customer agents need to really step up their game to handle all the challenges that come with growing new tickets and customer queries. In this video, we'll be covering the top 8 skills that your agents absolutely must have to bring their A-game to the support playing field. So, let's get right into it. 1. Problem solving and troubleshooting. With all the modern technology that's available today, customers now seek agent support only when they can't seem to find an appropriate answer via self-serve. This means that agents must be sharp and ready to thoughtfully problem-solve tricky customer queries on the fly. 2. In-depth product knowledge. Agents with subject matter expertise can truly understand and get to the bottom of technical issues and work faster at resolving customer concerns right off the bat. 3. Attention to detail. When agents keep track of each and every word of their customers, they can easily figure out the root cause of their problems in no time. 4. Knowledge retention and information prioritization. By leaning on a variety of retention tactics, agents can learn to prioritize and remember a ton of information that's related to customers, without breaking a sweat. 5. Levelheadedness, patience, resilience, and flexibility. Knowing when to go the extra mile to make the customer feel at ease or when to take a step back can make all the difference in preventing support mishaps from happening. 6. Multitasking and task switching. Considering how tight time can be at the help desk, agents really need to work like the wind to get the job done. They need to collate information from internal systems quickly, refer to knowledge bases in a swift motion, switch between screens and find a way to stay focused amidst all the distractions. So, multitasking is definitely the name of the game here as well. 7. Responsiveness and active listening. Agents must be aware of when exactly to use canned responses, email templates, or knowledge guides, depending on the query, so the response fits the request. 8. Collaboration. Being a team player and working collaboratively with other teams makes it a whole lot easier to resolve complex customer issues on time. While support skills like resilience and active listening can be somewhat intuitive, know that a few skills, like product knowledge and collaboration, can only be retained through continuous learning and practice. So, it's very important for agents to put their back into making these skills second nature so they're at peak performance and their customers are happier for it. If you want to learn more about customer support and how you can make your agents shine, visit Sprinklr.com and you'll be that much more knowledgeable afterwards.